What if sun was made of ice cream?
Cool. Now I will eat ice cream all day long.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, sun may not be able to breathe anymore.
What?
Let me explain. If sun was made of ice cream, planets may jump on the sun to eat the ice cream. Sun may find it difficult to breathe. Secondly, sun may send away his star friends packing.
But why would the sun do that?
Simple. If sun was made of ice cream, the heat of other stars may cause sun's ice cream to melt. Sun may send his friends packing. Lastly, entire solar system may be left in complete darkness.
Are you serious?
Yup, if sun was made of ice cream, sun may get extremely busy in licking itself. It may stop giving light altogether.
To buy AumSum merchandise, visit AumSum.com.
What if sun replaced the moon?
Don't worry, AumSum the Great will get the moon back.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if sun replaced the moon, our nights will turn extremely bright. People who love to sleep may leave for a different planet. Secondly, if sun replaced the moon, snow-covered regions may suddenly turn into extremely hot deserts. Thirdly, if sun replaced the moon, tides in our oceans will be much, much bigger. Surfers will be one happy lot. Fourthly, if sun replaced the moon, astronauts who are just about to land on the moon may have to make a run for it. Fifthly, Earth is used to the moon revolving around it. If sun replaced the moon, Earth may have to change some of its habits. Lastly, if sun replaced the moon, moons from all over the solar system may start protesting in front of the sun. What if sun got bored?
No problem. I will keep the sun entertained.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if sun got bored, it may just stop giving out light. This will not be good news for any of the planets. Secondly, if sun got bored, it may start playing with solar flares. This will not be good news for people staying on planet Earth. Thirdly, if sun got bored, sun may invite his star friends over. Our days might just become extremely, extremely bright. Fourthly, if sun got bored, sun may start playing with comets. Planets may have to jump hard to save themselves. Fifthly, if sun got bored, sun may force aliens to keep him entertained. They may never visit our solar system again. Lastly, if sun got bored, sun may leave for a vacation. Other planets may have no option but to pack their bags and join him.